Meski ketinggian air di air terjun Victoria di perbatasan Zimbabwe dan Zambia lebih rendah dari biasanya, wisatawan seperti Sarah tetap berkunjung dalam jumlah besar.
I am impressed, to be honest. I've been enjoying too much the country and the culture, and also obviously this site, Victoria Falls, is wonderful.
Sarah ingin kembali suatu hari nanti seperti juga Simon yang berasal dari Zimbabwe tapi kini tinggal di Inggris.
Yeah, I returned to come see Victoria Falls as an experience because when I was young I never really got to see it. So last year I came and this year I brought my friend from the UK to come actually have a view of the great Zambezi and the Victoria Falls here, which we experiencing, and it's very nice, very beautiful.
Namun reputasi internasional Zimbabwe terpukul akibat apa yang digambarkan Departemen Luar Negeri Amerika sebagai laporan yang kredibel tentang pelanggaran hak asasi manusia, termasuk pembunuhan di luar hukum atau sewenang-wenang, kondisi penjara yang keras dan mengancam jiwa, serta pembatasan kebebasan berekspresi dan media. Menurut ekonom Gift Mugano, praktik pemerintah ini berdampak negatif pada pariwisata.
That is not good for our brand equity. And so as long as we are doing that, we don't get as much arrival as possible because we earn a bad name as a country. On hardware issues, we need to work on an infrastructure, our roads, our water supplies, our electricity.
Meski demikian, statistik pemerintah menunjukkan sektor pariwisata menyumbang $493 juta pada paruh pertama tahun ini, dibanding $398 juta pada periode yang sama tahun lalu. Dan para pemimpin industri pariwisata berharap ada pertumbuhan yang berkelanjutan.
The government has embarked on an emergency road rehabilitation program, and some other major roads have started getting attention. Our roads shall also get attention in due course. We are not too much worried about that because our airports have been rehabilitated, because also the fact that most of our tourists come from outside the country means that the state of the roads does not completely damage the image of tourism or the numbers that are going to come through into the country.
Clement menambahkan, jumlah wisatawan yang berkunjung ke Zimbabwe meningkat sejak berakhirnya pandemi COVID, dan jumlah kunjungan meningkat 27% pada paruh pertama tahun ini dibanding periode yang sama tahun lalu, menurut Menteri Pariwisata Zimbabwe. Ia berharap di masa depan sektor pariwisata akan menyaingi sektor pertanian, manufaktur, dan pertambangan sebagai pendorong ekonomi. Dari Arlington, Virginia, saya Helmi Yohanes dan tim VOA.